Hi there. So right now what we're going to do is go over how to pull data using FXCM Trading Station. This can be downloaded online for free, and you can open up a demo account. This is a demo account right now being used with the current model position, but the way to actually pull data in, you go to Charts, Open Chart, and whatever time frame that you're selecting. So we're just going to do the 4-hour time frame. Then a chart should pop up, and change this to the parameters that you want for whatever currency you want. Make it bid prices, but you're also going to want to zoom out in order to get more data. So whatever's going to be exported to Excel can only be done if it has the data within this screen that you see. And you can go back pretty far. I think in the past we've gone to 2000, but it does take a little bit of time to load. So the way we actually export the data, you go to File, Export to Excel. Now this will default save it on your desktop. Make it something that is meaningful to you. So we're going to do the currency name, Euro, Aussie, and then data. It's going to save as an XML file, and then save it. Now what you want to do next is open up Excel and open the file that you just saved on your desktop. Navigate to it here, and you can see that it looks kind of like this. Now that you see it popped open, we're gonna have to do some things to it first. The first thing that you need to do is, we don't want to work with the ask prices, so just go ahead and delete these columns. To do that, you can do Shift, spacebar, and then Control and this underscore button here. Next, what you want to do is change the titles. You can see how it says Euro, Aussie, open bid, high, low, and close. Just change this to open, high, low, and then close. Next, what you want to do is sort this. And you want to sort it from oldest to newest so that the data is in order. Finally, do Shift spacebar and Control Shift plus sign to add a couple of rows, and make it so that the data starts on A11. Next, go to cell A11, and actually we want to do a view, and you want to freeze panes here, so that what this actually does is, so when you scroll down to see multiple areas of data, we still have room up here to work with and we can still see it. Next, what you want to do is bold this top so that the titles are all bolded. And finally, what we're also going to do is we're going to break this up into the date, the simple date, and the time. So that's two separate categories. Now to do this, you actually use a formula. It's called round down. Now time in this is expressed as a decimal. So if you actually look at this as a number, you can see that these are formatted differently. So dates here, you can do this, you can round this down to just get the date out. If you round it down to 0 digits, reformat as a short date, and copy this all the way down. And finally here, what you can do is you can just take this one here and minus out the round down value from it as well. This basically takes out the date and only leaves the time. Format it as a time. Copy and paste the values in. Delete, copy and paste these as a value. So you can do that by doing Control V, going down to value here, and just hitting OK. And delete this, reformat it so it looks all nice, and center the numbers. So that's how you set up a basic model and in Excel, and how it should be formatted in the Flyer Trading Group modeling team.